Hey, so if you want to control your spending and manage your finances better, yeah, creating a monthly expense tracker in Google Sheets is a great way to stay organized. In this guide, I'll show you how to create a monthly expense tracker in Google Sheets step by step in 2026. First, open Google Sheets and create a blank spreadsheet. Give your spreadsheet a name like Monthly Expense Tracker. Now create headers like date, category, description, payment method, and amount. Create categories like food, rent, utilities, shopping, transport, and entertainment. Start adding your daily or weekly expenses into the spreadsheet. Use the sum formula to automatically calculate total monthly spending. Conditional formatting can highlight high spending or important expenses automatically. Add pie charts or bar graphs to visualize where your money goes. Use filters to sort expenses by category, date, or payment method. Keep updating your expenses regularly so your tracker stays accurate. And yeah, that's it. That's how you create a monthly expense tracker in Google Sheets and manage your money more effectively in 2026.